Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S24 for visible by Verizon. So the Galaxy S24 has been out since February. So so the Galaxy S24 is $799 at visible, 128 GB of storage, and it's available in the Onyx black color option there. There's the Galaxy S24. You guys got your whole punch stuff for your front-facing camera there. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. Right side of the phone, power button, volume keys. There you go again, right side, power button, volume keys. And you have a bit of a camera bump down the back, so be mindful of that. Speaking of the back, you guys got triple camera system, camera flash, Samsung logo, and there is front and back there. So, the Galaxy S24 is $22.19 a month. For 36 months, 0% APR or $799 full retail price. Visible Protect plan. I suggest you guys get phone insurance for your phone because you're paying $800 for the phone, so get phone insurance for it. Definitely worth it. It says here, make every day epic with Samsung Galaxy S24. See a delicious looking dish on the social feed, but don't see a recipe. Simply circle to search with Google to find it in seconds. Then head to a sunnier farmer's market to pick up the ingredients and see your list clearly on the bright adaptive display of Galaxy S24. Once the meal is ready, capture stunning close-ups of your dish and dinner guests. Then better the lighting with a high-res camera and night photography, and all the while you can stay plugged into the moment, not the outlet, with the long-lasting battery. Do more easily with Galaxy S24 Epic, just like that. Best for members who enjoy a dynamic lock screen by setting up your screen to show off your style. This is a 5G compatible device. Roaming on Visible Plus. Good news, your device is compatible with roaming in Mexico and Canada. Make sure you're on the right plan and your passport is up to date, alright? Specs. The Samsung Galaxy S24 has a 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x display, Full HD+, 5.93 ounces of the weight, dimensions 5.79 inches height, 2.78 inches with a 0.3 inches depth. It takes a physical nano SIM card or an eSIM option is available as well. It runs Android 14 with One UI 6.1. That's the latest Samsung software, 6.1, One UI 6.1. Rear camera is a 50 megapixel wide camera with optical image stabilization, autofocus f1.8 aperture, 10 megapixel telephoto camera lens with 3x optical zoom. You also have OIS and f2.4 aperture and autofocus as well. Then you have a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, which is fixed focused, and f2.2 aperture. You have a 12 megapixel front facing camera with autofocus as well, f2.2 aperture, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset, 120 GB of storage, 4,000 mAh battery, talk time up to 25 hours, up to 25 hours of talk time, alright? You have an in-display fingerprint sensor, face unlock and whatnot. You have 5G, sub-6 GHz, C-band, and millimeter wave, of course. Roaming on Visible Plus. But what you get in the box is a Samsung Galaxy S24. Data cable, which is Type-C to Type-C. Start guide, terms and conditions there. If you guys want to learn more about the Galaxy S24, you guys can check the second link below for that. So, there you guys have it, the Samsung Galaxy S24. Now available visible by Verizon. So, So, nice phone, great specs, and features what it is, a flagship smartphone. So, check it on now if you guys are interested. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.